Welcome to our channel. Replacing the battery in your Garmin heart rate monitor ensures reliable performance and accurate readings during workouts. Here's how to change the CR2032 battery. Step 1. Purchase a new CR2032 coin cell battery. These are commonly available at pharmacies, electronics stores, or online retailers. Make sure it's a fresh quality battery. Step 2. Remove the heart rate monitor module from the chest strap. The module is the small device attached to the strap that houses the battery and electronics. Step 3. Locate the battery cover on the back of the module. You'll see a circular cap with a coin slot or arrows indicating the direction to turn. Step 4. Use a coin or flathead screwdriver to turn the battery cover counterclockwise. Most Garmin models have arrows showing the unlock direction. Step 5. Carefully lift off the battery cover. Inside, you'll see the CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Step 6. Remove the old battery by gently prying it out with your fingernail or a non-metallic tool. Avoid using metal tools that could damage the contacts. Step 7. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. The positive side has the writing and markings on it. Press down firmly to ensure good contact. Step 8. Clean the O-ring seal and battery cover threads if you see any dirt or moisture. This maintains the waterproof seal. Step 9. Place the battery cover back on and turn it clockwise until it locks into place. Don't over-tighten, just turn until it stops. Step 10. Reattach the module to your chest strap. Test it by wearing the strap and checking that your Garmin device detects the heart rate signal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.